Welcome guys to 30 Days of Learning Canva. In today's video, we will learn how to make a YouTube banner using Canva. Let's get started. Search for YouTube banner in the search bar. A blank page will appear. Select your background and adjust it accordingly. Next, we will incorporate our logo into the banner. You can use your own. Adjust the size as needed. Then, we will write text to attract potential subscribers. Here, we will include a subscribe icon to quickly encourage anyone visiting our channel to subscribe. And there we have the final look. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.